This lesson will be very similar to the previous lesson about workbooks. We've already touched on worksheets and their manipulation in multiple lessons that we've covered prior. This lesson will be focused on understanding when you want to be using or referencing worksheets, as well as some helpful properties and methods that will expedite your understanding of worksheet objects. As noted before, the worksheet exists as an object underneath the workbook, as seen in the hierarchy chart. Just the same as a workbook, you can apply methods, access properties, and enact events upon them. There are 3 commands we want to look at regarding worksheets specifically, as you'll most likely find yourself using these multiple times in the future. The first is the worksheets.range statement, which we have used before. Looking at this statement, it's possible to place your range in different formats, either the address, or you can refer to the columns and rows as numeric values, depending on how you are accessing the data. Learning the multitude of methods in which you can access range will make your code much more dynamic. The second command is worksheets.value. This statement is simple enough. It provides the value that exists within whatever object you're looking at. Generally, you'll want to use this to obtain the value of cells within a spreadsheet. The third command is worksheets.visible. This command is something that you'll find yourself using the more you start manipulating worksheets and workbooks. The command does exactly what you think it does. Make the worksheet or workbook visible or not. The reason you'll want to use this command and turn it to false is when you're manipulating workbooks or worksheets outside your own area, as you would open them just to collect data. It is not necessary to see these actions happen when you call them. It provides too much noise and loads extra work onto the processing power of your computer. Making the sheets non-visible while you do these actions will make your code look more natural, instead of a bunch of windows opening and closing in the background.